guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is yet another luxury unboxing, and this is from my luxury wish list. If you guys haven't seen that video, then you won't know, but this is from my luxury wish list, and I'm so excited to have this bag finally in my collection. And yeah, because I looked on the website and it's actually sold out right now, which sucks, but I also got it for a cheaper price, so it was like a double win-win. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. But before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria. I like to do luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, what's in my bags, luxury reviews, all things luxury pretty much. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to subscribe. Let's be friends and let's talk about handbags. Okay, so I did order this off the JACQUEMUS website, and here is the box that it came in. I don't want to show my address, so that is the box that it came in. I did open it already, guys, because you guys know I don't have patience when it comes to new handbags, but yeah. So this is the first things that come in the box. It says merci, which means thank you in French. Then it just has the return label and the receipt, and then also the tag. So it says JACQUEMUS right there. I don't know if you guys are gonna see that, but it says it right there. And super excited, here she is. Can you guys guess? Well, if you saw my luxury wish list video, you already kind of know, but yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so the bag that I ended up getting was dun 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 dun, yes guys, the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito Long in the green color, like I've been wanting. I am obsessed with this bag. I just love the size of it. I love the green color. I love the versatility of this bag. I can go on and on of the many ways I love this bag, but I'm so excited she's in my collection finally. And it is the Le Chiquito Long, like I said before, and I got this bag because I normally don't go for like pop of colors in my collection. I'm more of a neutral kind of person. I stick with my blacks, my whites, and you know, my neutral bags. So when I saw this green, I fell in love, and I just thought it'd be perfect because I also wear neutral colors, so it is a perfect pop of color to any outfit, I feel. And if you're wearing like green shoes or a hat or anything green, this is just the perfect completion to your outfit. So I just thought it was perfect, and I love the size of it. It fits all my essentials, and it comes with a strap, which I'll show you guys. It is a magnetic opening and closure, and here's the strap. So I love this strap because it is adjustable as well. It has 5 holes, so you can adjust it to your liking, and it has a gold hardware detailing that says JACQUEMUS right there. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but there we go. You can kind of see it, but not really. But yeah, that is the strap. And then when you look on the inside of the bag, it is like this canvas material, and you get one pocket right here to fit cards or receipts or anything that you like. And I just really love this bag. I love the color, and I love how the stitching is a little bit lighter than the actual color of the bag. I think it's a really nice touch. And the gold hardware on the bag as well says JACQUEMUS, and it has 2 D-rings on each side to hook the bag, and it has no feet. And I like this bag because the actual bottom does not hit the surface that you're putting it on, so I really like that about it. But it does take up a little bit of extra room, if that makes sense, because it's like deceiving from the front that when you look on the sides, because you think it's like this big, but it's actually that big. Like, yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. I hope so. Yeah, that is my luxury unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name on the screen. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.